As the fall sports season starts to wind down and we gear up for winter sports, if you attended some fall sporting events at the high school or perhaps the college level, you may have noticed along the sidelines physicians and athletic trainers at work attending to injured athletes. For more than 20 years, Bronson Sports Medicine has been providing team physicians to local schools and athletic organizations. Deb Rozowitz is orthopedics and sports medicine systems service line administrator at Bronson Healthcare and is here on this morning's edition of the Bronson Health Chat to tell us more about that program. Deb, good morning.
Good morning, Ken. How are you?
Fine. Thank you so much for being with us. I'm interested to hear about this. When you talk about Bronson team physicians and athletic trainers, what exactly does that mean?
Well, Ken, like you stated, for more than 20 years, we've been providing this service to our area schools and organizations. We provide the service for 21 local high schools in our network and 6 athletic organizations, and that includes Western Michigan University, Kalamazoo College, Kalamazoo Valley Community College, the Kalamazoo Growlers, and the K-Wings. All of our team physicians are specialized in orthopedics and sports medicine, and we have a total of 24 certified athletic trainers who work directly with our physicians.
When they're on duty on the sidelines and we see them at the games, what are their responsibilities?
Yeah, as part of our healthcare team, athletic trainers and our team physicians provide education to our athletes on injury and illness prevention and health promotion as well. They do a lot for our athletes. If they need emergent care, that's what they're there for in the event that would happen. But they're also there to do an examination and diagnosis of any acute injuries that could happen. And they support our athletes in their rehabilitation and recovery. Our main focus is really to keep our athletes safe and active in their sport.
And what types of skills do these professionals possess?
Our team possess expertise in diagnosing and treating all types of orthopedic-related injuries, really. Also, they are considered first responders at games and practices since their eyes are really always on the players in the game, and they're really prepared to jump in if an injury occurs. It's really important for our team physicians and our athletic trainers to have really good relationships with our coaches, athletic directors, and the other personnel that are involved to make sure that communication is there and everyone's on the same page for the athletes.
Deb Rozowitz is with us on the Bronson Health Chat segment this morning, talking about physicians and athletic trainers on duty at sporting events at high schools and colleges around our area. And how do these schools and organizations that you provide these services to benefit from your services?
Well, really having a Bronson team physician or a Bronson athletic trainer on site at games and practices really streamlines the process when an athlete is injured and needs further care by a Bronson physician or any other Bronson service. We can get the athlete to the right care quickly and efficiently to get them back in the game really as quickly as possible, which is where we want them to be and where the athletes want to be.
So in addition to these sports medicine services, you also offer performance training to athletes. How does anyone taking advantage of this improve their sports performance through interacting with these professionals?
Yeah, our performance training program is really for anyone who wants to get faster or stronger to maximize their potential in the sport that they play. This can be from high school athletes to your weekend warrior. We also work with professional athletes as well. The program consists of really an initial assessment to assess your current athletic ability, then creating an individualized program that might include one-on-one training or group classes that we offer on a regular basis. The team also works closely with our physicians, physical therapists, and athletic trainers Bronson Sports Medicine is unique in that Bronson has really opted to invest in our athletes to not only treat injuries in the event that occurs, but to also work to prevent injuries and keep athletes healthy and safe, and again, doing what they love in the sport that they're playing.
Well, Deb, if any schools or athletic organizations would like more information on this program, how can they find out?
Yeah, they can visit bronsonhealth.com/teamphysicians, or if anyone has questions, they can call Brad Tepper, who manages our athletic training network, at 855-618-2676.
Deb Rosowitz has been with us on WKZO, our Bronson Health Chat segment this morning. Deb is Orthopedics and Sports Medicine System Service Line Administrator at Bronson Healthcare, talking about physicians and athletic trainers and their service to local schools and athletic organizations in our communities. And Deb, thanks so much for being with us this morning.
Absolutely. Thanks, Ken.
On News Radio 590 and 106.9 FM, WKZO.